How to create an account in Binance. Are you guys facing issues to create an account in Binance? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Binance app on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Binance application on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to download it. After you open up the app, you'll be able to see this interface. If you want to create your account manually, then just simply write down your email address or your phone number. Once you write it down, click on continue. They will send you verification code on your email address or phone number. Or if you want to create your account using Google ID or Telegram account, then just simply select the option according to your preference. If you want to create an account using Google, tap on Google ID. You need to write down your email and password. As soon as you write it down, click on continue. Once you click on continue, your account will be instantly created on Binance, and that's it guys. That's how you're going to create your account in Binance application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.